Hi, my name is Jim Hoovenen. I'm 79 years old. I live in Hilliard, Florida, and I'm 1 year post-op from cataract surgery with Dr. Gulani. My eyesight had been poor all my life, and I'd had RK surgery done in my mid-50s. The RK surgery didn't last like it should have, and I lost my vision in my left eye due to glaucoma. And over the years, I had developed a cataract, and the doctors were reluctant to remove the cataract because of my vision and because of the RK surgery. However, I come to Dr. Gulani, and he accepted me graciously and actually encouraged me, making me think we could do it, because I was quite timid, quite scared about having it done with all the information I'd received from the other doctors. He did the surgery, and now it's been 1 year post-op, and I must say that the vision has improved 100% from what it was. I'm able to play golf. All my activities are like a young man, actually, and life is mostly quite enjoyable now that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, my experience with Dr. Gulani after the surgery was really wonderful. I mean, we had good results, and I was very pleased with the whole process.
Okay. And Dr. Gulani was with us every step of the way. We've seen Dr. Gulani every visit. Dr. Gulani called day of surgery, day after surgery to check in on us, with us every step of the way. So he's
very proactive.
Yeah, very proactive and wonderful. 1 year post-op, I'm thrilled with the results. We thought that Dad was going to be coming to the end of his vision because nobody was willing to take this cataract or do the cataract surgery, and I thought I was going to be now in the role of taking care. And now we're 1 year post-op, and Dad's doing fantastic, and he can see, and he's driving well, and he's doing all his activities, and I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled.